Monorail Silver. Good morning. Good morning.
As you exit, please hold your head. In the designated area outside the park entrance. If you're standing, please hold on to the handrails and stay clear of the doors until the monorail stops completely.
Hey you guys, good morning again. We have just arrived at Magic Kingdom with the goal today originally was to just check out the Christmas decorations that have just gone up, but a tropical storm was predicted today. So we're here anyway and we're gonna see how this goes. How are you? Good, good, thank you.
You're very welcome. Have a great day.
Thank you, you too.
Thank you.
First little view of Christmas decorations at Magic Kingdom. Front entrance right outside of the train station. And again, there is a tropical storm predicted for today, but we are here anyway. I'm just starting to feel a few drops, so I have the umbrella in my other hand. You will see where this goes. Hey guys, so no sooner did we walk into the park, literally walked right into the park, and the skies opened up. It hasn't rained yet today until the second we scanned the magic band and walked in. Right?
It's pouring. I'm ready to go.
John's really ready.
But he doesn't like to wear raincoats because he feels like it gets too hot.
Well, I have to use the umbrella to be able to cover the camera, but it's still bright on like the other side of the lake. I think this is going to pass over enough that we can keep walking here and there. And yeah, Aaron, Jody, Kenzie, and Jessica are already inside. So we're just gonna wait it out for a few minutes, I think. And we'll be okay.
It's starting to slow down now anyway, so.
It's slowing down. Like I said a little earlier, the goal was to come and capture the pretty Christmas decorations that just went up. I don't know how well that's going to go over today. They are up, but I don't know. The weather could be a problem, but at the same time, being in Magic Kingdom in the middle of a tropical storm could make for a very good and entertaining vlog.
Well, maybe it'll scare everybody away, so we'll be able to get on everything this afternoon.
Maybe
It's
that'll
supposed to rain all day, like 70-80% chance. If you knew it before we were coming in here, what we were getting into.
It has to stop here and there, so we can. We'll see what happens.
It'll be okay.
Okay, we are attempting the first part of this walk. I think there will be no way around getting wet today. The pretty Christmas decorations are up. I don't know how Christmassy it feels in humid, rainy, tropical storm weather, but it is Christmas at Magic Kingdom. That's the point, right? I really want to see all this at night in the dark when all the lights are on though.
It kind of feels like we're walking around here when the COVID thing just opened the parks again because there's nobody on Main Street.
Yeah, that's true. That's true, it is empty. We got really good parking today too, wow.
Well, it's empty on top of the rain too. I feel like everybody's inside.
Do you want to try Main Street as far as we can get?
Yeah, we can
Dave?
walk down Main Street. We can definitely.
It's not awful right now.
We're on our way to Frontierland.
Barely need you know, I think it stopped. It did stop. For this moment, but I'm not letting this umbrella out of my hand. No way. Not a chance. And Aaron and Jody and Kenzie and Jessica are over by Big Thunder Mountain in Frontierland, like John just said, because they wanted to try to get on whatever outdoor attractions they could before the rain started. But clearly the rain started, so I'm not sure how much luck they had with Big Thunder Mountain. Because when the weather's like this, all of the outdoor attractions, especially the roller coasters. They close till the weather gets better. It's okay right now though. It's not that bad. Although with the wind, I have to say, keeping this umbrella open, I feel like I'm about to take off or take flight at any moment here. So I'm going to try to be careful with this. Yeah. Sorry, dude. Didn't want to get in your picture there. Sorry. But it's definitely not crowded. I think the weather kept a lot of people away today. So yes to Frontierland?
Well, that's where they are.
Okay. These decorations will all look really pretty at night because they'll have lights on them. It's kind of nice though seeing it and hearing the Christmas music, right? Right, babe? Feels like Christmas. I wonder if the Jingle Cruise started yet. We love the Jingle Cruise at Christmas time. Usually the Jungle Cruise, but they decorate it for Christmas and it's called the Jingle Cruise. I actually prefer that more than the regular Jungle Cruise. Aladdin's flying carpets are still going in the rain. People are on them. Real Disney people will not even be stopped, not deterred even by a tropical storm. I love it. And yes, the Jingle Cruise has started. Okay, so our buddies are over in the Hall of Presidents right now, obviously staying out of the rain. So we're headed over to Liberty Square so we can meet them when they get out. So evidently Splash Mountain is still going in the rain. I guess if you're already going to be wet, right? It's Chip and Dale. How are you guys? Chip and Dale and their Christmas attire. Oh my God, how cute. How are you guys? Aw, very cute. So if you guys see this path that we're walking along here in Frontierland, the brown path right in the middle here, there's an explanation to what that is supposed to represent. I don't think I'm going to say it right now, but if anyone else knows what that is, leave it in the comments and I'll let you know who's right. Okay, so again, we just pulled over to wait for our friends to get out of the Hall of Presidents. Aaron's actually over here with us, but okay. This brown pathway, I'm actually going to ask Aaron if he knows what it is. Okay guys, so Aaron's here with me now and I'm going to ask Aaron a question. Do you see this brown pathway, Aaron, in Frontierland?
Yes.
And Liberty Square, do you know what that is?
I just actually learned.
You learned what it is?
Today,
Okay.
minutes ago.
So,
it's where the duty used to go in the old towns. They used to sweep everything because their irrigation was like in the middle of the road.
Yep.
Who knew this? I didn't.
So I only learned it not that long ago too, Disney trivia. So here in Magic Kingdom, Frontierland and Liberty Square, which it's representing, you know, the olden days of America, and this brown pathway represents a river that used to exist in those old settlements because they didn't have plumbing back then.
And you can see right here the man with the that's,
Oh, the squeegee that's sweeping it?
It's like a character.
Very realistic. So in the old days, when there wasn't plumbing or toilets, they used to throw, what's the word? Human waste into this river, and that's why this brown river is here in Liberty Square and Frontierland. You don't want to go swimming in it because, okay, you guys, and we are just in time for our very first Christmas character cavalcade. How cool, we just made it. Perfect timing. So it's Goofy's nephew Max leading the way here in his little gingerbread car. Cute.
Peppermint wreaths and peppermint
And Chef Goofy.
the waters. We make it all. Sweets for your sweet tooth. Yummy, 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 yummy. Yummy, 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 yummy.
I thought that was the end, but wait, there's more. It's Clarabelle.
Scrumptious, 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 yummy, yummy, yummy.
Wow.
Happy holidays.
We just got to Big Thunder Mountain here, you guys. I'm surprised it's a 50-minute wait, 5-0. That's kind of long, considering the weather is as bad as it is today. I was actually about to opt out of Big Thunder Mountain because I wasn't sure how the camera is going to hold up on this. I wasn't sure how the camera would hold up on this ride. I have nothing to cover it with if it starts raining. But I'm going to do it anyway. We're just waiting for a ride. It's Jessica. This is my riding part. And we're off. I can do this. It's not going to rain.
Hopefully.
That wasn't so bad.
No, it's a pretty substantial ride, actually.
Rain stayed away.
And we've been on this with Kenzie before.
Last time she almost flew out of the sea.
Yes, she did.
She was saying it's because she was with Aaron and his legs are so much higher.
Kind of.
Yay. And we're out. And I feel raindrops. I think either we just made it or we're just lucky in general.
I mean, we're
Huh.
possibly the wrong way.
Okay. We just got off of Splash Mountain, you guys, and
So wet.
we are wet through and through. Oh, where's Kenzie? Kenzie's really wet.
Yeah.
But what a good sport. You're a good sport, Charlie Brown.
Yeah. It poured
Okay.
while we were on the ride.
You poured while we were
Yeah.
on it, and we got splashed, and it was worth every minute.
So much fun. I'm glad I have chlorine in my eyes, guys.
So yes, we got a little wet on Splash Mountain. We got really wet on Splash Mountain. Yeah, I can't believe I can still see my eyebrows. It's a miracle. They're still there. So we just passed Pirates, and it's only 35 minutes over here. So we're gonna get on Pirates next.
The waits have been like 10 minutes or 15 minutes,
They've
even
been
though
short.
they say 40 or 50. I think
Yep.
it's just allotting time for cleaning if they're going to clean.
Yeah.
That's really about it.
And you
Not
know,
that bad.
people who don't pay attention at the line.
So fix the mask here.
I want to do all that.
Filming on Splash Mountain was out of the question, but now as long as I've got the gimbal camera in my hand again, and it takes a minute to get me tethered to it on my wrist and situated, I'm just gonna film Pirates again, even though we were on it, I think, about a week ago? Maybe a little more than a week ago? I'll film on here again, because Pirates of the Caribbean never gets old either. None of Disney ever gets old, in case you couldn't tell. I'm only here how many times a week?
Yes.
I just love the smell of the water in here in Pirates of the Caribbean. You other Disney people know what I'm talking about. It smells so good in here.
Oh, quit your clucking. A gentleman want the rum. Don't ya, boys?
Watch the ride! When ears tell, 'tis only me what's got the
It's Johnny Depp. So as you guys can probably see, we pulled over here in Tomorrowland at Cosmic Rays Starlight Cafe for a little lunch. And the reason everyone is on their phones is because you do have to mobile order here. And then you go in and get your food. Excuse me. So we're just all ordering a bite to eat. Maybe dry off for a little while. It's still drizzling a little, but the sun is out, which is kind of cool. It's really hot though. It's gotten a little hot though. That's okay. Okay guys, we just pulled over into Cosmic Rays to not just have lunch, but dry off a little, get the ponchos off, put the umbrellas away for a little while, have everything dry off, because we had gotten really wet. And then, yeah, and then maybe go freshen up again. Hi. Okay, keeping it simple, chicken nuggets, french fries, ice water, ranch dressing, little mustard for John. He loves his mustard.
Yeah, mustard's my thing.
Just waiting for the rest of the gang to come over and join us. We are over in Tomorrowland now, you guys. It's pretty wet out here. It stopped raining. But I just wanted to show you over here the Tomorrowland stage where the dance party is. It's usually the Monsters Inc. and the Incredibles dance party. But I love these aluminum Christmas trees. They're even cooler lit up at night, but I just think they're really cool. And they remind me of actually my first Christmas tree in East Orange, New Jersey. My parents had we had an silver aluminum Christmas tree, a lot like that. And it would have the colored spotlight shining on it. It was a wheel. It was like the colors of red, yellow, blue, green. It would spin and shine on that old vintage Christmas tree. But I think they're cooler now than they were back then. My humble opinion. Going into Star Traders here in Tomorrowland to check out a little bit of the merchandise here. I think Kenzie is interested in buying a Loungefly backpack. So she's going to go for that here. We can see what else is going on here. So when we were in Epcot the other day, we showed you guys the Make-A-Wish Foundation merchandise. Proceeds of this merchandise goes to the Make-A-Wish Foundation. I think it is just the coolest blue, sparkly blue. Love these Loungeflies. I wish they didn't have mini ears on them, because not that I have a problem with it, but I'd rather they just have Mickey ears. And I'd wear them myself, or I'd buy one myself. I just love that blue. And the cause, of course, Make-A-Wish. I think this Spirit jersey is really awesome. Very, very cool. So there's a Make-A-Wish Mickey Christmas ornament.
I didn't see this at a Mouse Gear. This is just like a youth shirt, but I wish I had that in an adult size. I would probably get that to me. So I like the print on it.
I love this stuff I love this Make-A-Wish stuff. Even these Crocs. I've never worn Crocs in my life, but I just think these are the coolest things ever. Jess?
Hi.
Do you wear Crocs?
No.
I have never worn Crocs, but I just think that these are I think these are the coolest.
I mean,
I just think they're very cool. Okay, so Kenzie did get a Loungefly. Show me that Loungefly, please.
You see the print inside it? There's like a Mickey head thing.
So it's like canvas material. It's not like the usual leather. And what's inside? It has a pattern inside?
It's Mickey heads.
Like a dark blue with Mickey.
Very cool. And we get a 20% pass holder discount, so Kenzie did pretty well buying her Loungefly. So Aaron right now is actually in the middle of a live cast on Facebook. You guys are on Facebook, right?
Yeah, we are.
Okay.
Okay, so right now I'm being vlogged while I do this show. For his show.
So Aaron's doing a live show himself via his phone. Hey, you guys. You're on my vlog. Welcome to YouTube. That's George. Hey, George.
Nice.
Cool. It's a social media explosion out here in Magic Kingdom today. Against my usual better judgment. Actually, my judgment isn't always that great. It's my understanding that we're going on the Mad Tea Party. Alice in Wonderland's teacups. I get dizzy very easily, but I always wind up saying yes to this anyway. So that's where we're going.
absolutely.
Mad Tea Party. Okay, Mad Tea Party. I had to get this raincoat off. I think John's taking his off too.
I'm keeping it on to air dry it a little bit because it's still wet.
We're hoping it's not going to rain again.
It's starting to get really blue. I think it might be.
Oh, I just shoved mine soaking wet into my backpack because I do not care.
Each time we think it's not going to rain and we're about to take the raincoats off, it gets dark and it happens all over again. But we decided to come here on the day of a tropical storm. So that's our problem. Not a problem. We're in Magic Kingdom. It's all good.
The pink ones are slow.
Thank you for being here.
We're ready.
So excited.
I'll be dizzy when we get off of this thing, but It's not the first time, and it won't be the last. Oh, God. Oh, here we go. It's not good. What are you doing to me, Kenzie? I hate you. She's killing me. Oh, my goodness. I hate these people right now. You have no idea.
You love us so much.
Oh my goodness. Oh my God. I hate all of you. I hate all of you.
Find out.
Get out, all of you. Get out. Get off of this teacup right now. Wow. I can't believe I'm not sick.
You chose to get on. Were we a blur?
I'm here with a bunch of freaks. Spinning freaks. That's who I'm with. I chose to come on for the sake of the channel.
Yeah, and you chose to get in the teacup with us, knowing what was going to happen.
And this one, that's the Mad Hatter right there. There's your Mad Hatter. That's the Mad Hatter. The kid, right there.
I think he owes me money.
Aaron's still on his live feed.
No,
I'm still dizzy.
oh, then he definitely owes
I'm okay. That was actually kind of fun. I was worried for a minute there, but I'm not as dizzy as I thought I would be.
right.
Where are we? We're in Magic Kingdom. We're going over to Voyage of the Little Mermaid, and I know I did not hear you say you are stuck at Disney. Did I hear you?
No, I didn't say that at all.
I thought I heard someone say, I'm stuck at Disney today.
No.
Poor choice of words, and I know that's not what he meant.
No, I meant to say I'm stuck with a decision here at
He's
Disney.
stuck with the decision.
Which ride to go on?
Which ride to go on? He fixed it really fast. Okay. Good. Getting on Voyage of the Little Mermaid. Oops. Gotta catch up with my party here.
That's all right.
Sorry. 10-minute wait. I don't think it's even going to be that. Hi, you guys.
For a pair of, what do you call those? Those human thingies that make you not a fish? Legs! That's what this story's all about.
My Disney memories are really from the old.
She's got the moves.
She does. So when you say she traded her voice,
Apparently we're going to do Fill Her Magic really quick. Right here.
Yes, we are going into Mickey's PhilharMagic. Mickey's PhilharMagic.
okay.
All right, so
Just out of Mickey's PhilharMagic. Check out the spotlights. It's really the castle projection, but the spotlights shining on the very low clouds up there. That's kind of ominous. Wow.
Seven Dwarfs.
Just passing back through Tomorrowland, taking in the cool lighting over here. We've missed these lights because we haven't been out at Magic Kingdom after dark since before the shutdown. So that would have been back in March. But now we're going to head out to Main Street because the park is open only for about another 30 minutes. And we want to check out the projection, the Christmas lighting on the castle, and the Christmas lighting on Main Street, because that's always awesome every year.
So he did book.
Thank you.
Check out Cinderella Castle, you guys. In Christmas mode. It is so awesome and so pretty. Wow. That castle is so pretty. And of course, this isn't the lighting that we usually get at Christmas. We usually have the icicle lights covering the castle, but because of the current situation, this is what we have, and it's awesome. So pretty. Very cool, and the projection on the castle just changed. Check it out. So cool. So, you guys, as you can see, Disney did a great job, we'll say, compensating for what we don't have, what we usually have at Christmas time. The icicle lights on the castle, the Christmas party, and the Christmas party fireworks, which only happen at this time of year. But it's still early. It's only early November. And John and I will definitely be back over the season. We're definitely going to come back here at Magic Kingdom at night, when the weather is better. Of course, today we chose to come in the middle of a tropical storm, but it still worked out. We still had a great day, a little messy, but the most important thing, I really just wanted to get our first glimpse at the Christmas lights and the Christmas decorations at nighttime. And that's what we're doing now, but we'll definitely be back again. It feels good. It feels good. It's not like Christmas in New Jersey when it would be cold and kind of snowy most of the time. But Disney does a good job of being able to put you in the mood for the Christmas season and every season during the year. I'm sure you guys saw that during Halloween too. So we'll take in a little bit more of the decorations before we head out tonight. And it's about 30 minutes before park close now. So we're getting there, but we'll definitely be back, I'm sure, several times between now and Christmas. Oh yeah. How cool is that castle, you guys? Isn't that awesome? I love it. Okay, let's head out to Main Street. Check out the lights on Main Street. They look pretty cool from here already. Okay, you guys, we are outside of the Emporium on Main Street. This is our favorite cast member on Main Street. This is Melly. We love her to death, and I don't want to make her cry, but she's our favorite. So if you're out here on Main Street at the Emporium, come out here and say hi to Melly. She's the best. Okay, well, we'll see you soon. Bye, honey. What a great end to this day. Such a pretty view on Main Street. We will take you back here several times before Christmas, you guys, because we want to keep experiencing this ourselves. It's a great time of the year. Oh, and it's getting even better because I see the whole gang. The whole gang is out here on Main Street at the train station. Check them out. Some characters we hardly ever even see. Mickey, Minnie, Pluto, Tigger, Pinocchio, the Mad Hatter, and Geppetto, and Alice. Good night. It's Peter Pan. And Wendy. Hey, it's Bert and Mary Poppins. Check her out. Here comes Donald and Minnie and Mickey, the big cheese. Pluto, Tigger, Pinocchio, Geppetto. I don't think I've ever seen Geppetto. Alice and the Mad Hatter. Wow, you guys, we really seriously got to see a lot of characters just then. I think a few of them are only actually out at Christmas time. Like, I've never seen Geppetto personally. I didn't know that Geppetto was even a live action character in Magic Kingdom. But hey, what do I know? You learn something new every year. That was really cool. Got to see the whole gang. Wow. Okay, I just pulled over. I'm here with Aaron, and we're just waiting for Jody, Kenzie, Jessica, and John to come out of the Emporium. They're doing a little shopping, but Aaron had a little accident in the Emporium.
I have to leave.
Accident as in he broke something. That actually didn't sound too good.
I did. I broke
It was an accident.
It was a coffee mug that was brilliant. It was the bad apple.
I know that coffee mug.
But I didn't know what it
poison apple.
was. And I went, oh, what is this? And I went...
Crash. I'm sure it happens in Magic Kingdom.
I think I'm the first one to ever break something here.
Yeah, well, maybe the first one over 10 or 11.
Does that make me a bad apple?
No. Oh, you're good. He's good.
No, I'm not. I'm bad.
Okay, everybody, so there is one more thing we're going to do before we leave Magic Kingdom. We're going to leave something behind, and it's, I think, our fourth vlog doing this. I'm going to give you a view from the front. It is a kindness rock. I've told you guys about the kindness rocks. And hashtag Alyssa's Wishes, and the Kindness Rocks Foundation project. Yep. And I'll flip it around. I'll just flip it around again. So we're going to leave a Kindness Rock behind again, and I'm going to leave information about Alyssa's Wishes and the Kindness Rocks project in the description of this vlog. And if you guys would check it out, it's an amazing organization, foundation, and cause. It's an amazing cause for some really amazing people. So that is today's Kindness Rock. Faith, trust, and a little bit of pixie dust. And on the back, hashtag Alyssa's Wishes. So whoever finds this, the goal and hope is that whoever finds this, and hopefully it'll make their day, like these always make my day, they will post a picture of this to Alyssa's Wishes on Instagram or Facebook. Okay guys, so I actually just explained the Kindness Rocks to Aaron here. Now he knows what they are, and we are going to leave one behind here, right here at Magic Kingdom, right by Town Hall. Okay, so hopefully somebody here at Magic Kingdom tonight will need to hear that quote, and this will make their day too. Yeah, so that's Roy Disney and Minnie. They're usually in the center of Main Street. I didn't even know that that bench, I think it's bronze, that it could be moved. It must be awfully heavy. And Walt and Mickey are in front of Cinderella Castle. Hey, Roy. We're almost finished here. We're just waiting for the girls to come back from Starbucks. The crowd is pretty much cleared out. And Main Street is a lot emptier than it was a little while ago.
Did Jody decide if she wanted to do the ferry or the monorail?
And look at how pretty the train station looks from the front of the park. Wow. Heading for the ferry. We got here this morning by way of monorail. We are going back to parking on the ferry. Boarding the ferry just in time. It is totally empty because the park's been closed almost an hour already, technically. So pretty much everybody's cleared out. Except us, but now it's our turn.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, welcome aboard the General Joe Potter. While this vessel is in motion, we do ask, please remain on your ground markers.
Or one of you guys can get
And we've arrived. We've docked. We are now in the Ticket and Transportation Center, ready to head to our cars. This was a long day with a few obstacles as far as the weather goes, but we made it and we had a great time today too. Okay, you guys, we're back out at the parking lot. We had a great day. I think everybody's exhausted.
So tired.
You will see. Yes. And
going on the final ride.
Yes, and we conquered a tropical storm. We did it anyway, right? And anyway, you will see Aaron, Jody, and Kenzie again. Jess will be heading home, but she will be back.
I will, like
for
the Terminator.
Guest star appearance. And needless to say, John and I will be here probably tomorrow. No idea what we're doing.
Well, I didn't know that. Okay.
I don't either, but we're gonna see what happens. So anyway, you guys, if you like this vlog, please click like. If you haven't already, please click subscribe if you'd like to continue the journey with us. Also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. It's Wes, John, Jessica, Jody, Kenzie, Aaron. We're all busy getting Disney tonight. We've been busy getting Disney all day. Over and out. Bye, you guys.
Bye.